Hi, I'm Alex Tyser. I'm a Strategic Apps Engineer here at Maxim. Today, we'll be going over the Go I/O as a quick start video to get you going as quickly as you can. First, we'll look at the kit, what it includes, and then you'll need a couple of components that won't come standard with it. So first, those that come included is the MaxRefDes 200, that's the main Go I/O module. We have our MaxRefDes 215, which is the carrier board. On the back side is the MaxRefDes 211, that's our apps processing module. It'll also come with a DC power adapter. What it won't include is a USB micro cable as well as a laptop with Windows. So now that we have our components, we'll take the power supply, plug it into the wall, take your 200 and mount it on the top of the 215. The 211 should already come pre-mounted on the bottom. Then we'll take this barrel connector and connect it like so, and this will provide power to the system. You'll see there's 3 LEDs on the 215. That confirms that it's getting the appropriate 24 volts, and there should be 2 LEDs on the MaxRefDes 200, and that confirms that the Go I/O module is getting the appropriate voltages as well. That's about it for the hardware portion of this. Now we'll move over to the software portion and the PC. Now that we've applied power, we can connect our USB micro cable into the 211 on the bottom. Now we'll pull this up. There's 3 micro USB connectors down here, but we're only going to connect it into connector 1 on the PCB, as so. Now we'll come over to the PC. Now you'll need to install and download FTDI drivers as well as a terminal program such as PuTTY. Now these can be found, these links, on our website. I've already installed these and I have them on my machine currently, so we'll skip that step. Now just as a quick reminder, when you pull up your terminal program, you'll go to Serial. This COM port will be different for every machine, so you'll have to open Device Manager. When you pull this up, it'll have down here a section called Ports, and there should be a new one that pops up when you plug in your board. For instance, mine's COM36. So taking that number, we'll come over here and enter COM36. We'll change the baud rate, 115200. We'll come over to the terminal section, and we need to check mark the implicit carriage return in every line follow. We'll also come to local echo, force on. We'll go to local line editing and force on. Now with these set, we'll open, and this will bring up your terminal window. We'll hit Q, enter, and this will bring up the Go I/O main menu. From here you'll see you have 1 for self-test, 2 digital output, 3 digital input, 4 RS-45, and 5 I/O link. These are all the I/O industrial peripherals that come on the Go I/O platform. From there you can select, say, 2, and it'll bring up the sub-menu for digital output. And from there you can either configure the output mode, drive the output. We'll hit Q to go back to the top menu. And so any of the appropriate I/Os, if you want to get going, it's quite simple and it's that easy. Thank you.